Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kushita Kalapu, with her timeless grace and captivating charm, beautifully embodies the essence of tradition and the allure of nature through her stunning sari fashion choices. Her love for nature is evident in her frequent selection of earthy tones, floral prints, and organic fabrics that echo the lush landscapes and vibrant flora around her. Imagine Kushita draped in a serene moss green silk sari, the fabric flowing like a river through a forested glen, adorned with delicate hand-embroidered vines and leaves that dance across the pleats, each thread capturing the poetry of nature's embrace. She often pairs these masterpieces with intricately designed blouses that blend rustic elegance with contemporary flair. Think of a raw silk blouse featuring subtle gold zari detailing reminiscent of dewdrops on fresh foliage, or a backless choli with floral applique work that mirrors the blossoms found in a summer meadow. Her choice of accessories further enhances this harmonious connection to nature. She favors antique silver jewelry with motifs of peacocks, lotuses, and banyan leaves, pieces that tell stories of age-old traditions rooted in the soil. Her makeup, too, complements the natural aesthetic. A soft, dewy finish with earthy hues, minimal eye makeup that highlights her expressive eyes, and a dash of rose-tinted lips that look as if kissed by morning dew. Whether she's posing amidst a field of marigolds, beneath the shade of a sprawling banyan tree, or beside a sparkling mountain stream, her sari choices radiate a timeless allure that celebrates both her cultural heritage and the natural world. She often experiments with organic fabrics like cotton, khadi, and tussar silk, favoring their breathable textures that drape like a second skin, perfect for capturing the ethereal glow of sun-dappled leaves and the golden hour's soft embrace. Her love for handloom weaves is evident in her penchant for artisanal creations, supporting local weavers and sustainable fashion. In some photoshoots, she's seen with her hair adorned with fresh jasmine flowers, their delicate fragrance mingling with the earthy scent of the sari, adding a sensory dimension to her style. When she chooses vibrant hues like mustard yellow with crimson borders, it's as if the fields of marigold have come alive in fabric form, each pleat echoing the gentle sway of petals in the breeze. And when she opts for deep indigo or earthy browns, it's as though the dusky twilight sky has settled around her shoulders, enveloping her in a serene twilight aura. Her photoshoots often capture the symbiotic relationship between woman and nature. The rustle of leaves, the call of a distant bird, the gentle caress of a breeze lifting her sari's pallu, all these elements become part of her story, transforming her fashion choices into a celebration of the natural world's infinite beauty. Her traditional sari fashion isn't just about clothing, it's a soulful dance between tradition and nature, a lyrical expression of her journey through landscapes both external and internal, inviting us all to pause, breathe, and admire the intricate tapestry of heritage and environment that she so effortlessly weaves. Her innate understanding of how to blend tradition with the raw beauty of nature doesn't stop at her wardrobe alone, it extends to the entire aesthetic of her photoshoots. Picture her posing gracefully beside a flowing river, the pleats of her sari catching the sunlight like rippling waves, each fold accentuating the elegance of her silhouette. Her choice of colors often reflects the seasons. She adores warm amber hues that mimic the glow of autumn leaves, and she's just as drawn to the soft pastels of springtime blooms that bring a sense of renewal and grace. In the heart of summer, she might choose a fiery red or burnt orange sari that captures the vibrant heat of the sun, paired with a matching blouse that features intricate mirror work, reflecting the sparkle of sunlight on water. Her draping style itself is an ode to simplicity and elegance, with each pleat meticulously placed to allow the fabric to flow like a waterfall. She sometimes experiments with traditional draping styles like the Nawari or Madisar, bringing to life the cultural diversity of Indian sari traditions, all while maintaining that organic connection to nature's simplicity. Imagine her in a hand-painted kalamkari sari with motifs of flowering creepers and tender leaves, the designs unfolding like a forest canopy across her ensemble. These artistic details not only pay tribute to skilled artisans but also allow Kushita to carry a piece of nature's soul with her in every thread. Her accessories are chosen with the same reverence for the natural world. A pair of handcrafted wooden bangles, perhaps carved with delicate patterns of leaves and flowers, or earrings shaped like tiny branches with gemstone, berries, each piece tells a story of harmony between humanity and the environment. Her hair is often styled in soft waves or a loosely braided plait, adorned with sprigs of baby's breath or rosebuds, further echoing the garden-inspired aesthetic. When she opts for a more regal look, she chooses temple jewelry, ornate gold pieces shaped like peacocks, elephants, and lotus flowers, each symbol steeped in mythology and deeply tied to the earth's cycles. Kushita's makeup remains consistently earthy and understated, with warm brown eyeshadows, a hint of terracotta blush, and lips tinted with hues borrowed from ripened berries or soft coral petals. Even her nail color often complements the sari's palette, muted earthy pinks, soft greens, or neutral tones that ground the overall look in natural elegance. She might choose to walk barefoot in some shoots, feeling the grass, sand, or earth beneath her feet, reminding us of our connection to the land we inhabit. She becomes a living canvas upon which the tapestry of nature's colors, textures, and scents come alive. Whether she's standing amidst a field of wildflowers, draped in a vibrant yellow sari with a border as red as the setting sun, or seated on a rustic wooden bench beneath a sprawling banyan tree, her presence exudes a quiet power that invites us to pause and reconnect with the world around us. The sounds of birdsong, the whisper of the wind, the rustling of leaves each becomes part of the symphony that surrounds her, making her traditional sari fashion choices not just a statement of style but a heartfelt ode to the environment. This blend of nature and tradition is what makes her sari fashion so memorable and inspiring. It's not merely about looking beautiful but about embracing a way of life that honors our roots, our environment, and the timeless traditions that bind us to the earth. Through every photoshoot and every carefully chosen ensemble, Kushita reminds us that fashion is more than fabric, it's a celebration of the living, breathing world around us, stitched together with the threads of history, culture, and nature itself. In the golden embrace of sunrise, Kushita Kalapu steps onto the dewy grass, her sari catching the soft glow of dawn like a delicate mist unfurling across the earth. She often chooses hand-woven fabrics that breathe with the land's energy, tussar silk with its rustic sheen or crisp cottons that mirror the cool embrace of early morning air. Sometimes, her saris are dyed using natural colors, rich indigos, saffron yellows, and madder reds, each were extracted from the very plants that surround her. You can almost smell the subtle fragrance of neem leaves or the earthy tang of turmeric in the weave, bringing to life the ancient art of dyeing that generations of artisans have practiced under the open sky. Her love for heritage crafts shines in every detail. She embraces block prints that capture the gentle geometry of leaves and flowers, or intricate bandhani tie-dye patterns that echo the rhythmic dance of raindrops on parched earth. Each time she steps in front of the camera, she becomes a bridge between the old and the new, wearing her heritage like a second skin that is both modern and timeless. She often styles her saris in unique ways, sometimes leaving the pallu flowing freely, like a river seeking its own path. Other times, she tucks it neatly over her shoulder, like a gentle embrace that keeps tradition close to her heart. Kushita chooses to be surrounded by the elements, standing amidst towering bamboo groves where light filters through the leaves like liquid gold, or leaning against the rugged bark of ancient trees that have witnessed centuries of stories. When the afternoon sun casts a warm glow, she often opts for saris in vibrant ochre and burnt sienna, colors that echo the warmth of the sun-baked earth and the fiery blooms of marigold fields. She loves pairing these with contrasting blouses, perhaps a deep green with leaf-shaped embroidery that feels like a piece of the forest woven into her attire. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.